Winter decorating can be a bit tricky. Winter isn't a bad season, and you can make every day full of joy just putting right things and decorations around you. Make coming home even more inviting with beautiful winter-styled porch decor. Use sticks and for branches, holiday lights, pine cones and even Christmas ornaments to create an ambience and remind yourself that Christmas is coming soon. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 simple winter front porch ideas that will enhance your front porch look. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Okay, here are 10 simple winter front porch ideas that will enhance your front porch. Number 1. Winter Touch Ornament. Talking about winter ornament, it won't be far from the evergreen, pinecone, twig, berries, lighting, snowy things, or snowflake. Here, don't be far from that stuff. Snowflake garland made of paper that hangs on your front porch looks simple, but will make your winter decorations even more real. Number 2. Best lighting. The best porch lights will illuminate the area outside your home, welcoming guests and offering a stylish home security solution. Just what you need during the winter months, investing in porch lights is simple and relatively affordable. Number 3. Front door ornament. Trim your front door with a spectacular pinecone garland. Red glass ornaments, which you can hot glue to a pre-made garland, coordinate well with a matching front door and berries that garnish tall lanterns. Hang the garland using outdoor-safe self-adhesive hooks or clips. Number 4. Cozy chair with warm pad. If you only have the common chairs, bench, or seating for your porch, it's time for you to give an extra warm pad on it. Not only make you more comfortable, but it also allows you to feel the warmth from the pad. In this case, choose the right pad cover material. Number 5. Decorative evergreens. Baskets on porch filled with logs, blankets, and pine cones. Lanterns on black chairs filled with ice skates. Evergreen trees in urns and white cement snowballs. Birch and evergreen urns. Stick snowflake wreath with snowflake pillows on porch. Number 6. Wood piles. Search your yard for pine cones, interesting logs, and branches. The buckets and firewood holder paired with birch logs, cotton branches, and pine cones make an awesome addition to your front porch. Number 7. Red, black and white furniture. This amazing outdoor spot is embellished with some red, black and white furniture, and an adorable outdoor canopy design that makes the ambience breezy and dreamy at the same time. Number 8. Lanterns. Lanterns are also a great addition to any front porch decor. You can actually get solar lanterns, which would be so handy, you wouldn't have to turn them on or off. You would just have to make sure, whichever lanterns you pick out, that they are weather resistant. Number 9. Wood signs. Old planks of reclaimed wood are always a perfect choice for porch signs. Its ability to blend in with any backdrop is one convenience that makes it an ideal choice for those who want something unique, without going beyond the boundaries of weird. Number 10. Warm rug. To create warmth on your winter porch, adding rugs and cushions is a great idea. You can use a jute rug so that it will bring out a classic natural feel. Jute rug from Pretty Designs. Using a rug to complement your winter porch front decor is the perfect idea. A jute rug will provide the perfect warmth with a lovely farmhouse touch. That's it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on, so you never miss those upcoming videos. And see you next time.